Hey everybody, we're at it again. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to change out a battery in your MyQ Wi-Fi garage door opener. Here's a little sensor right here. I'm going to go through everything and show you how to get it going again because right now I'm saying that my battery is low. But before we do all that, let's start the intro. Hey guys, thanks for taking out the time to watch my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So generally, when it's in the vertical position like it is now, it is showing closed. But when the door goes up, it'll go into the horizontal position and it'll give you an open. Okay guys, let's get this sensor to a surgical table. Really easy to remove it. It's held with Velcro, sticky back, and when you put it back up or take it down, it's labeled T. Let's turn around so you can see it. T for top. So always make sure when you put it back, it's in the top position, and this clip right here will be at the bottom. So without further ado, let's get this thing to the surgical table. Okay, we have our unit here. We have something plastic to remove the battery because we want to make sure that we use something non-metallic so we won't damage the circuitry inside. And most importantly, we have a CR2450 button cell. It's a 3-volt button cell, which we'll be using for replacement. So let's go ahead and get this started. Real simple process. Take the sensor, you got a push tab right here, push it, open it up. Put that away. As you can see, the battery is right here. Real simple. And you want to actually push it out in this direction. So you're going to get something non-metallic. This will work just fine. Grab it on the side and just give it a little push like that. That. Then you can just go ahead and grab it, take it out. CR2450. They're pretty expensive if you get them in like Walmart or all of your big box stores. Go ahead and order them on eBay. I got like 5 batteries for like about $6 with free shipping. So there you go. Just want to go ahead and open our battery up, which is no big deal. Remember, you got your positive right here. So you want to get the positive side up. This is the positive side of the battery. And basically, you just want to slide it in like that. Grab your lid. Remember now, this is the top. It says top on it. Okay, so this is the bottom. The bottom is always where you got this little button to activate it, to sync it with the system, which I'll show you. And the little tab is at the bottom. So it's pretty, doesn't take rocket science. Let's put it on, clip it, and it's ready to be remounted and synced up with the main unit. Simple. In reverse order, just go ahead and line it up with your Velcro. Now listen real closely because this is the main brain unit right here. I'm going to sync it up with the brain unit here, and we're going to hear a beep, which means that the sensor is communicating with the unit. So from that point on, when the door goes up and down, it will be recognized and I'll get a notification on my phone. So let's take care of this. What you're gonna do is this little button right here. It's on the bottom. See if I can get a little closer. Right there, see? Now watch what happens when I mash this. See, you got a red light and a beep. She's ready to go. So let's check it out and see what happens. Okay guys, so I'll go ahead and open and close the door, and then I'll show you the notifications that were received on my phone And I'll also show you the notifications from my MyQ app, which will indicate that the battery is good now. So here we go. See, it's going up. Notice how a sensor does. It goes flat. It's indicating open now. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video on replacing the battery in this Wi-Fi garage door sensor. I appreciate all the time you guys take out to check out my videos. If you like what you've seen, always, remember, feel free to subscribe so I can keep on giving you more content like this. Until then, we'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching.